Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. In a cold, lifeless corner of an industrial town lived a thin, pale boy named Charlie Bucket. His family was very poor. Their house was tiny, barely standing, and all four of Charlie's grandparents shared a single bed in the only room. His mother worked all day, and his father struggled to make ends meet working at a toothpaste factory. Charlie's only joy was walking past the mysterious chocolate factory of Willy Wonka on his way to school. The air around it always smelled of rich, melting chocolate, and smoke rose from its tall chimneys. Years ago, the factory had shut its gates to the public, and nobody had seen a worker enter or leave. Yet the factory continued to produce chocolate more delicious than anything else in the world. Then, everything changed. One day, Mr. Wonka made a shocking announcement: 5 golden tickets were hidden inside 5 of his chocolate bars. The lucky children who found them would win a full tour of the factory, and one of them would receive a special prize beyond imagination. The whole world went wild. People bought thousands of chocolate bars, hoping to find a ticket. The news was filled with stories of children hunting for gold. The first ticket was found by Augustus Gloop, a gluttonous boy who never stopped eating. The second went to Veruca Salt, a spoiled rich girl who always got whatever she wanted. The third ticket was claimed by Violet Beauregard, a gum-chewing champion with a loud mouth and a bigger ego. The fourth was taken by Mike TV, a boy addicted to television and video games. Charlie, with no money to spare, could only dream. He received just 1 chocolate bar a year on his birthday. He watched others find tickets, while his own hope faded. But then one freezing day, Charlie found a crumpled dollar bill on the street. He bought a chocolate bar at the nearest store, tore it open, and time stood still. There it was, the last golden ticket. Charlie, along with his Grandpa Joe, entered the magical factory. The gates opened to a world like no other, hallways that smelled of fudge, candy trees, edible grass, chocolate rivers, and rainbow lollipops. Their host, Willy Wonka, was a strange and whimsical man, dressed in a purple coat and a tall top hat, with eyes full of mystery. The tour began. Each child marveled at the wonders of the factory, but one by one, their flows caught up with them. Augustus Gloop fell into the chocolate river and was sucked up a pipe. Veruca Salt demanded a squirrel and was tossed down the garbage chute. Violet Beauregard chewed an experimental gum and turned into a giant blueberry. Mike TV shrunk himself using a teleportation machine and fit into a pocket. Each time a child misbehaved, little orange-skinned workers called the Oompa Loompas sang clever songs, teaching lessons through rhyme. In the end, only Charlie remained humble, kind, and honest. Willy Wonka turned to him and said, "You win, Charlie. The factory is yours." It wasn't a test of cleverness or strength. It was a test of heart. And Charlie, the poorest of them all, had passed with flying colors. From that day on, Charlie and his family moved into the factory, a place of wonder and sweetness. The boy who once went to bed hungry now owned the most magical chocolate factory in the world. Subscribe for more stories.